How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to debadge your car. So to remove the badge here, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to heat up the sticky tape that's on the back of the badges. So you can use a heat gun like so, just move it all around, not to keep it in the spot for too long, otherwise you might damage the paint. Or the preferred method I like to do is I like to boil a kettle and then just pour the hot water over the badges. Okay, so pretty much I've boiled the kettle, and what this will do, this will soften up the glue. And all I'm doing here is just moving the hot water over each part of the badge. Hey, come on boys, you might be helping me here. Come on, over here. And to remove the badges, what you can use is some fishing line, or what I like to use is building string. So pretty much what we need to do is just we go behind the badge, push down, and then we use a sawing action from left to right. As you can see, you're left with some sticky residue. So what we'll do now is we'll use a caramel wheel. We'll put that in the drill and we'll go very slowly, work methodically, and then we'll remove the residue. And what we want to do is we want to put this on the second speed, number 2 setting, so the wheel spins a little bit faster. That way it eats through the residue a lot quicker. And all you want to do is just keep this moving. Don't keep it in the one spot because we don't want to burn through the clear coat. So just keep moving it all around and then you'll see all the debris coming away. What I'll do is I'll put this in a little bit closer so you can actually see the job in progress. So all I'm doing is I'm just using the very edge of the caramel wheel, as you can see here. Just moving along, letting the caramel wheel do its job. A little bit of pressure in towards the bonnet, and then that way we get rid of the sticky residue without damaging the clear coat. Right, now that I've removed the badge, there's going to be some discoloration on the clear coat, obviously because the badge has been on the car for the entirety of its life. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some rubbing compound, and what that will do is it will just take away any of the imperfection that's on the clear coat. And what we want to do is we want to move in linear motions like so, up and down, then back across 3 times. And then we wipe off the remaining residue with the microfiber cloth. Now I'm just going to finishing off with some finishing polish, and I'm going to change the head, put a wheel pad on here. And as you can see, that's it now debadged. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.